In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Plex Media Server on your Ubuntu desktop or server. The first thing you need to do is go to plex.tv/downloads and then scroll down to the page where it says Plex Media Server or download Plex Media Server, and you'll click download and you'll select the Linux platform and then you'll choose your distribution. If you click choose distribution, it gives you an option to do Ubuntu 32-bit or Ubuntu 64-bit. I always go with the 64-bit version, and you right click, copy link location, and then go to your server, and using wget you will paste that in the command prompt. Once the file has finished downloading, you'll run sudo dpkg-i for install, and then Plex Media Server with the version number. And if prompted for your admin credentials, you'll enter those. Once the installation has completed, you can run ps-ef grep-i plex, and you should see multiple processes here with Plex in the name. Then you will go back to your web browser and enter the server name followed by port 32400/web, and this will be the server that you're connecting to locally. You'll get redirected to the login screen for Plex, and you log in with either your credentials, and then once you log in, it will return you to the home screen of Plex where you can add items to your library. If you have any questions about anything in this video or want to discuss any more about this video, please leave a comment in the box below. If this video has been helpful for you, please give this video a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to the channel to get future updates for this and other tutorials. If this video has been helpful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at almostengr.